Hi, this section we will see how can we link an architecture file into an MEP template to do our MEP work. So here I have opened a Rivet file with an MEP template. You can verify. Here you can see electrical, mechanical and plumbing disciplines here. So in order to insert an architecture file, without an architectural file we cannot do or we cannot install any MEP services. In order to insert, here the term we use in Rivet is link Rivet. So if you have a Rivet file for the architecture model, you can link that architectural model into our MEP file. For that we are using the link Rivet option inside our insert ribbon. Here you can see insert ribbon and the first option is link Rivet. You have to click on that one. Once you click on that one, it will pop up a new window where you can show that architecture file to import or link to our MEP file. So I am selecting this architecture file from this here, this window, and here the positioning I prefer to be positioned as origin to origin, so that this will help you while exporting to other softwares like Naviswork. So you are importing all your architecture, structure or MEP, whatever file you have done, you will import into Naviswork for final collaboration. At that time, if you keep your MEP, if you keep your link file origin to origin, the Naviswork will, in Naviswork you will feel easy to handle the files. So better to keep origin to origin positioning while you link any Rivet file. Select the architecture file, then click on open. So it is reading now. The file will be displayed in our drawing. Okay, you can see the file displayed in your drawing. Okay, now the command process is completed. The first thing you have to do once you have import your file or once you have linked your file is to pin the imported or linked file in your drawing. This is the pin. The short key is showing there. PN is the command for pin. Why we are pinning this link file? Because there is a chance when you drag the drawings or drag anything in your MEP drawings will make changes, or it will move the linked file from the actual position. So in order to prevent that dragging, it is better to pin your linked files with your drawings. You can see all your elevations. See, elevations can be seen here. So what are all the things you have drawn in your architecture file will be displayed in your MEP file also, but it will be shown in half gray tone color. It will not be displayed in a full view as you see in your architecture view. So I hope you understand how to link a Rivet file into a Rivet file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.